Transform your space with intention, not just a wall, but a seamless balance of design, flexibility, and acoustic performance. With EBUNGE Operable systems, space and move clarity, smoothly, effortlessly. Define finishes from softer fabric to modern laminate, from acoustic panels to writable glass. Each detail carefully considered. Discover how your space can be redefined. Designed for movement with single or double door options that integrate naturally into your layout. Engineered for performance with top and bottom rubber seals, ensuring a controlled acoustic environment. And where precision matters most, the telescopic panel closes the space perfectly, flush, secure, complete. Every movement feels effortless, every space more adaptable. From offices to hotels, from meeting rooms to grand event halls. EBUNGE Operable walls redefine how space works. Factory direct craftsmanship, no compromise, no middleman. Employ more real projects and get inspired. This is not just a partition. It's a smarter way to shape space. Let's create your space your way. EBUNGE Operable designed for modern architecture.